Does your car boot look like this? So the old saying, mess means fun, doesn't apply to your car boot, because having things flying around in your car can actually be quite a dangerous situation. That's where Zoomlite car boot organiser comes in very handy. From weekend sports, to family camping trips, to the odd picnic. The car boot organiser has 18 different compartments, including 2 insulated drink compartments, and removable dividers. So you can chop and change based on which items you need to store.
It's so easy to use, it's child's play. And clip the buckle, expand it.
So when you finish packing everything for your trip, you simply close the lid, pick up the handle, and you're ready to go.